Okay, a quick and easy way to change colors is go ahead and make your stitch and complete your stitch. Pull the yarn up a little bit, take your hook out, just insert your hook under your stitch here, just like that. Okay, so leave this loop out, grab your new yarn, leave a strand of yarn, and go ahead and yarn over and pull through, and then go ahead and make your next stitch. In my case, I'm making a single crochet. I'm just going to make a couple of them. Okay, now that I've got a couple of them done, I'm going to pull the strand of the pink, and there we are. And then you can just weave these in. You can crochet the strands in however you want to do it. Okay, so let's do that again. Let's just make a couple of stitches. Let's go ahead, that was a single crochet. Let's go ahead and do a half double crochet. Just like that. Pull a loop up. Insert your hook. Just like that. See that? Right behind all those little front loops. So grab your new yarn. Here, leave a strand. Grab the yarn and pull through. And then go ahead and continue. Go ahead and continue working a stitch. I'm just going to do 2 stitches. Just like that. And then you take and you pull that yarn back right there. Looky there. Perfect color changes. Looks great in the back too. So let's go ahead and do, that was a single crochet, that was a half double crochet. Let's go ahead and do a double crochet. And one more. Okay, pull out a loop and insert your hook. Behind those 2 stitches. Grab your new yarn. Pull through and go ahead and make your next stitch, which we're going to do 2 double crochets. Okay, and then go ahead and take your yarn and pull that loop out. And there you go. So we did it with a single crochet, a half double crochet, and a double crochet. So that's the quick and easy way. Go ahead and try this for yourself. You can pause the video as needed. You can put this on slow mode in the settings, so you can watch me do it in slow if you need to. But yeah, go ahead, have fun with this, and make beautiful color changes. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe.